Amazon just dropped a new credit policy that puts money back in your pocket. Let's dive into it. You can see new return credits for remote fulfillment with FBA. So Amazon is trying to get people to expand internationally. They're trying so hard that they're willing to give, let's see, you will be provided with credits to cover return fees for items that are sold and returned through remote fulfillment with FBA in Mexico and Brazil. They want you to expand your products to Mexico. They want you to expand your products to Brazil. And they're even willing to cover the return fees, whatever those are. So you can see, just look on the left side, the side in the orange right here, where it says remote fulfillment with FBA, right, starting March 2025, which is already passed. Automatic return credits covers return fees to match US FBA costs, issued as remote fulfillment credit in Seller Central's transaction view. So pretty much they're trying to cover return fees, those return costs, so that way you are willing to utilize that remote fulfillment credit and that remote fulfillment option in those countries so you can start selling. If you don't know, you can actually enroll right now. You go to inventory, remote fulfillment with FBA, click on that, and you can enable all of your listings to automatically be sold and purchasable in Mexico and Brazil. If you need any help with this, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.